are going to Tiger Kingdom, and also we are going to explore Cholong Temple, Big Buddha, viewpoint, photo with elephant and lots of tiger. So we'll take a lot of pictures. So let's go, Valtoy. So guys, this is Phuket town. Basically here we can buy some stuff to eat.
Education and then now hospitality because now tourist industry.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is like a village. We are shortcut the way to Patong. We yeah. We don't go to the main road.
Okay.
The main road.
That's Coats Lake. It's
Yeah.
And where is the university?
right here. Babe.
Behind it.
Okay.
Behind it. Made in Thailand. Yeah, made in Thailand. Inhaler.
Inhaler, nice.
Yes.
Our tourist guide showed us this green Thai inhaler. Everyone in Phuket has it. Just one sniff and it feels so fresh. He was
Guys, this is Patong Beach. Where is the beach?
It's nearby the temple. If we come back here, too far.
So Patong Beach, the most famous beach in Phuket. To be honest guys, I really don't get time. You know what? I came from Phuket and now I'm in Singapore. I'm editing this video, and yes, from Singapore I will be uploading this video and you're gonna watch this video. And so this is how
This
it
is
is.
Bangla Street, everybody. When the night time here, they close the road. It's a work. Yeah, Bangla Road. Yeah.
And the ladies, they are pushing you while here.
Yeah, yes.
They just chat with you something
And buy some beer.
by some beer.
Yeah, buy beer.
As you know guys that I have uploaded 3 videos of Singapore blogging, so I will not I will not make any videos here because my phone storage is almost full. So yes, after Singapore layover I have got another layover which is Hong Kong layover. But yes, for Hong Kong layover I will make the video,
Hotel.
and yes, I'll post it
Yeah,
also
it's,
because I'm
one
planning
beach,
to
one
go to
hotel.
Disneyland. So Disneyland ka video
private.
you must expect from me.
Yeah.
So yeah, so please keep watching and please do support. Thank you. Hello guys, it's my birthday month. So today it's going to be such an exciting and amazing day. We are heading to Tiger Kingdom, then we'll explore Chalong Temple, Big Buddha and some amazing viewpoints. We will also be taking lots of pictures with elephants and of course lots of tigers. We are going to capture every moment. So let's go and make it unforgettable birthday. So we are on the bay, almost reached to the viewpoint. As you can see guys, just look at this view. This is so good, right?
What did you say? Karol Beach.
Karon.
Karol.
K-A-R-O-N.
Oh, Karol Beach. Karol.
Now you pick up someone else.
जिस व्यू पॉइंट की बात कर रहे थे हम, वो इस बीच के सबसे ऊपर जो बिगनिंग होती है वहाँ पे जाने की बात कर रहे
There is a big beach here, and this is the longest beach.
हैं। इस बीच का नाम करोल बीच है जो कि बहुत बड़ा है, बट वी आर गोइंग टू सी द व्यू पॉइंट। ऊपर जा रहे हैं हम।
Yeah, Patong over there. Patong, Karon, Kata, and Kata Noi, everyone. Right here. Yeah. Yeah.
Look at this view on the top of Karon beach. This view is stunning.
So this is Karol viewpoint. We are here. But this is also beach. We can go down and explore the beach. I can't take your pictures now. Let's go to another place. ये कौन करता है?
तो वहाँ पे हम बहुत कम टाइम के लिए रुके थे, ऑलमोस्ट 10 to 15 मिनट्स। उसके बाद हमें गाड़ी में आना पड़ा बिकॉज नाउ वी आर लीविंग टू अनदर प्लेस, दैट इज़ द रीज़न। चल चले कहीं इन
Foreigner. Yeah, with Buddhist people.
So now we are heading to Tiger Kingdom. Yes, Tiger Park. So almost we reached here, Tiger Park.
Follow me. Get me later.
This is Tiger Park. So guys, as you can see, the happiness and the excitement level is so high on my face. Definitely I'm very happy and at the same time I'm very nervous also because I'm going to meet the tiger and yes, to say hi to the tiger. So let's go with me and so tell me, would you dare to get this close to a tiger? Will you feel scary or exciting? What do you think? Tell me. Have you been to this place? Just let me know in the comment box. We are here in Tiger Park. Now we are going to meet the tiger. Let's go. Let's go. So here we have white tiger here and the small tiger is there, but we are going to meet a giant tiger which is the bigger one, biggest one. So let's go with me. Yeah. We don't have much time in Phuket, so we are exploring fast. Quick tour around Phuket, so much to see, so little time. That's why hustling through Phuket, trying to see everything. So I'll show you here small tiger. Let's go with me. So एक एक बारी करके दिखाते हैं, टाइगर के पास लेके जाते हैं और वो आपका फोटोज भी खींचते हैं. Look at the smallest tiger. They all are sleeping right now. They are resting. ये देखो टाइगर किंगडम के ये विशाल बाघ कितने बड़े हैं ना, बाघों के इतने करीब. आई एम सो सरप्राइज्ड. वाओ, इतने बड़े बाघ. मैं तो उसके पास जाकर भी फ़ोटो पे ध्यान कम, पोजेस पे ध्यान कम, और मैं सोच रही थी अगर उठेगा तो मैं भागूंगी किधर से. I was thinking all of nonsense things. So guys, it's my turn to meet the tiger and say hi to tiger. So let's go with me. तो मुझे रास्ते में चीता मिल जाता है तो उसको भी देख के ही चलते हैं guys. Let's see. चीता. How peacefully it is sleeping ना.
Let's go.
टू बी ऑनेस्ट गाइस, मैं स्माइल तो कर रही थी, जो मेरे अंदर उस टाइम हो रहा था आई वॉज सो अफ्रेड. मैं ये स्माइल बस पोज के लिए कर रही थी बट आई वॉज सो अफ्रेड इनसाइड. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि अगर ये मुझ पे हमला करता है तो मैं कहाँ भागूंगी, कैसे भागूंगी, एंड हु विल लाइक यू नो सेव मी. तो फिर मैं यही सब सोच के ना मेरी फ़ोटोज़ अच्छी नहीं आ पाई. एंड येस, तो मैं उसको बहुत सॉफ्टली छू रही थी, इससे उसको परेशानी हो रही थी. सॉफ्टली नहीं छूते, वहाँ पे मैंने बोला सॉफ्टली नहीं हार्ड छूते हैं सो दैट उसको लगे कि हाँ कोई मतलब अच्छा आदमी है. अगर सॉफ्टली छूते हैं ना तो वो खा जाता है. हाँ, ऐसा बोला उसने. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मीट द एलिफेंट, सो लेट्स गो विथ मी एंड से हेलो टू एलिफेंट. अभी मैं भी बेबी एलिफेंट को फीड कराऊंगी. तो ये जो एलिफेंट है ये बेबी एलिफेंट है. तो ना मैं इसको ना केला खिला रही हूँ. मैंने बनाना लिया 100 बात का और इसको मैं खिला रही हूँ. फिर इसकी मम्मी और पापा को भी खिलाएंगे हम. तो अभी इसको खिला देते। मुझे तो इससे भी डर लग रहा था, ये बेबी एलिफेंट है बट मैं बहुत डर रही थी। ये मुझे किस करने भी आया, 1 2 3 बार आया बट मैं भाग गई बिकॉज़ ना मतलब ये एलिफेंट होते हैं ना एंड इसके शरीर पर ना देखो हेयर दिख रहे हैं ना बहुत बड़े बड़े, ये बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड होते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड। तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कहीं ये गड़ा दिया तो मुझे और डर लगेगा इसीलिए। सो लुक एट दिस क्यूटी, इट इज़ ट्राइंग टू किस मी। दिस बेबी एलिफेंट जस्ट किस्ड मी। ओह सो क्यूट ना, हाउ cute is that? Look at this, the little elephant just give me a smooch also. He's trying. देखो 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 दिया। Such a sweet moment. The elephant kissed me. Can't get over this. So guys, now we are going to Big Buddha. Here we are at the Big Buddha. I clicked picture from back side because it was closed from front side because of landscape हुआ था इसीलिए। एंड येस वी केम टू मार्केट नियर बाई, यहीं पे मतलब कन्वीनियंस स्टोर सा है तो वी केम हियर। आई बॉट दिस एंड इट वाज सो लवली, दैट्स वाई इट्स सेइंग टू यू हेलो गाइस। चले अब। सो ऑब्वियसली गाइस एक भूखी सी प्यारी सी बच्ची को क्या चाहिए, खाने को चाहिए ना, तो मैंने कुरकुरे खरीद लिया था कन्वीनियंस स्टोर से।
And we have some house. We live in combinations, nah? Everyone. It's a Hindu god and Buddhist in Phuket. Yeah.
So now we are in Chalong temple. So here we are at Bat Chalong, Phuket most famous temple. It's so beautiful, peaceful vibes, amazing architecture and full of history. Amazing. Before going to this temple, cover yourself properly because it's important to go inside. You never know यार ये लोग क्या क्या करते हैं। This is the Buddha temple in Phuket and this is a cremation where when a person die, when they come. It's a sacred place where Buddhist funeral rituals held. We are at the cashew nut factory watching how cashew are made. Today I got to know cashews are made of cashew fruit which look like that yellow one, and they have 16 flavor over here. You can taste and then you can purchase for your home. And yes, the smell is amazing of these cashews. Hi. She knows Hindi, you know. Wow. So cute. These are the snacks, so I bought one tamarind. So this was cashew factory and we took something else, tamarind, sweet and. Now we are at the honey farm. Here they show how bees make pure natural honey. It's so interesting to see the process up close. They have so many types of honey from wildflower to royal jelly, and yes, you can taste them too. So we are going to check them.
She live 5 years, work up we live 6 months. She live at
I was so excited to taste the honey because I love sweet and all, that's why. But the same thing I cannot buy because I will be flying, so where will I keep the bottle? चिकन में जाएगा, चिकन में अगर टूट गया तो मेरे पैसे बर्बाद हो जाते, इसलिए मैंने लिया ही नहीं। बट मैंने खाया, देखो मैं खा रही हूँ। पता है मैंने टेस्ट सारे हनी किए थे बट पता है मैंने हनी नहीं लेकर बनाना चिप्स लिया मैं। ये देखो मैं बिल्कुल भी बी की तरह लग रही हूँ ना, मधुमक्खी के छत्ते की तरह येलो येलो। ये बिल्कुल ही पागल लग रही हूँ बट दैट्स द क्यूटेस्ट थिंग विच आई कैन डू।
शिमला है क्या?
हाँ।
We went to
Very
souvenir
big.
shop.
The biggest one. This one. The biggest night market in Phuket.
Night market.
First night market. Saturday, Sunday.
Now we are at the Phuket night market. The vibes here are amazing As you can see guys, this is so amazing. Main Phuket market. And now we are going to Phuket market. So we have got the 1 hour to explore in night market. Afterwards they will drop us at the hotel. So yes, seafood time. These shrimps are straight from the ocean and they make it live. I mean वो इसको छान के निकालेंगे, प्याज व्याज डाल के गर्म पानी डाल के दे देते हैं. मैंने ये चीज़ देखा वहाँ पे. And yes, people do like it. They make live and live khana from this. Look at this figure. So guys, this is sticky rice, mango with the rice and milk. Indeed, this is famous in Thailand, in Bangkok and in Phuket. But yes, I tried it, but I did not like it. I love spicy things, but ये दूध आम और मतलब चावल खाना, मतलब भात खाना, ये मेरे टाइप का खाना नहीं है, तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. फिर I went for shopping. So you have here chair, sit and select and buy everything. This is the big market. Everything you'll get. Food to clothes, shopping. Buying food, you can sit here and enjoy the view. I'm just trying to these goggles as I love being classy, you know. So I love purchasing this goggles, purse and thick heels. तो मैं ये ट्राई कर रही थी, तो आई डोंट नो किसी ने हिंदी सॉन्ग प्ले कर दिया. जो भी कहो, अच्छा तो लग रहा है. म्यूज़िक, लाइट्स एंड सो मच डिलीशियस फूड. आई नो आई कैन नॉट ईट दीज बट स्टिल लुक एट दोज ना. अच्छा लग रहा है देखने में, है ना.
Yes, some Thai people eat scorpions.
बिच्छू. ये सब देखकर मैं फ्रूट वाले सेक्शन में चली गई, जहाँ पे मैंने ये ट्राई किया लॉन्गकॉन्ग, विच वॉज वेरी नाइस. यार इनके यहाँ के अंडे कैसे होते हैं, आई शो यू हियर. ये अंडे है देखो.